Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. PayPal surpasses Q3 expectations. COVID-19 booster shots reach 15 million Americans. Lincoln National's earnings beat and revenue miss. Goldman Sachs top stock picks. Schumer calls for FTC probe on oil giants. Occidental's carbon credit deal with TD Bank. Nvidia faces potential 10% stock fall, and Google's antitrust suit raises Barclays' concerns. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. PayPal's third quarter earnings and revenue exceeded Wall Street forecasts, resulting in a 1.4% increase in its stock. However, the company's fourth quarter earnings prediction did not meet analyst expectations. Jamie Miller is set to assume the role of Chief Financial Officer from November 6 onwards. Even though there was a minor decrease in active accounts, there was an increase in transactions per account, which contributed to a rise in revenue to $7.42 billion.
On the 27th of October, approximately 15 million individuals in America have been administered updated COVID-19 vaccines. This figure is lower compared to the previous year's count of 22 million. The Department of Health and Human Services has disclosed that over 19 million doses have been dispatched to various vaccination locations. The Food and Drug Administration has given approval for 3 vaccines for this season, which are from Pfizer, BioNTech, Moderna, and Novavax.
In the third quarter, Lincoln National Corporation announced a GAAP, or Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, earnings per share of $4.82. This surpassed expectations by $2.61. Despite this, their revenue did not meet the mark by falling short by $520 million at a total of $4.2 billion. This signifies a year-on-year decrease of 12.5%.
Goldman Sachs has made changes to its U.S. conviction list, incorporating Simon Property Group and Boeing Company. These additions are due to their pricing power and potential for recovery respectively. Other companies worth mentioning are Bath & Body Works, which shows promise for a possible turnaround, JP Morgan Chase that stands out for its top-tier returns, Apple recognized for its continued success, Amazon.com with the potential to benefit from an AI adoption cycle boost, and Nvidia Corp identified as part of the AI gold rush.
Chuck Schumer, the Senate Majority Leader, has urged the Federal Trade Commission to probe into possible antitrust breaches in the proposed oil and gas acquisitions by ExxonMobil and Chevron. Schumer voiced apprehensions that these transactions might negatively impact competition, possibly leading to an increase in gas prices for consumers.
TD Bank has plans to acquire 27.5 thousand metric tons of carbon dioxide removal credits from Occidental Petroleum's subsidiary, 1.5, spanning over a period of 4 years. This transaction is considered one of the most substantial by a financial institution and will contribute towards offsetting TD's operational emissions. The credits are generated by 1.5's plant located in Texas, which has set an objective to eliminate up to 500,000 metric tons per year of CO2 from the atmosphere.
BTIG, a financial services firm, has issued a warning that shares of Nvidia have breached an important support level of $400. This could potentially indicate a further decline of 10%. Even though Nvidia is not due to report earnings until the 21st of November, it is breaking crucial support from a pattern that has been distributing over several months. In addition, the VanEck Semiconductor ETF, where Nvidia holds the most significant allocation, has also broken its 200-day moving average.
Barclays has been expressing escalating worries regarding the robustness of the antitrust lawsuit filed by the U.S. Department of Justice against Alphabet, which is Google's parent company. This legal action questions Google's agreements to be the preset search engine on various devices, a move that is allegedly preserving its dominance in the online search market in an illegal manner. Nevertheless, Barclays continues to forecast a revenue of $120 billion from iOS search for Google by 2024.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay invested, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep thriving. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.